I'm Billy Allen, and we're going to be talking about the volume of prisms and cylinders. So we'll start with some vocab. Volume is the amount of space in cubic units a three-dimensional figure occupies. A prism is a three-dimensional solid with two congruent bases connected by parallelograms. And a cylinder is a three-dimensional solid with two congruent circular bases connected by a curved surface. So we'll start with prisms. Here we have a triangular prism. You can see it's two congruent bases and the parallelograms connecting them. So the equation for the volume of a prism is the area of the base times the height. So the first step in finding the volume is finding the area of your base. As you can see, we did that here in the example. Found the area of the triangular base. Then you need to find your height, which will be the length of the parallelogram connecting the two faces. Once you've found the area of your base and your height, you just multiply them together to get your answer, which will be in units cubed because it's volume. Now we're going to talk about the volume of cylinders. As you can see here, we have a cylinder with its two circular bases connected by a curved surface. So the equation for the volume of a cylinder is pi times radius squared times the height. So to start, you need to find your radius and your height. So in this example, we have the radius of the circular base is 1 unit, and the height, which is the distance between the two circular bases, is 2 units. So you plug your values into your equation. Volume is equal to pi times 1 squared times 2. And then you can either get an exact answer where you would leave it in terms of pi, which would be 2 pi units cubed, or you could plug the value into your calculator and get a rounded answer, which would come out to be around 6.28 units cubed. You could also use the equation volume equals the area of the base times the height for a cylinder, but it's essentially the same equation as the original one because the area of the base is equal to pi times the radius squared, like in the original equation, and obviously the height is equal to the height. So you're really just multiplying the same things.